Good morning, everyone. Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And guys, I wanted to present to you a total review and explanation of a wonderful opportunity that I stepped into called Successful Solution Method. This method was created by the owner, Miss Amanda Ray. Now, I've watched this young lady rise in the ranks at such an alarming rate that I am so proud of her. Seeing her do some dynamic things and actually been able to connect with her, understanding that we are two like minded individuals that really want to change things for the masses. This young lady has stepped up by using an opportunity for 4 or 5 years consistently, seeing the results that she was able to get, making up in her mind that she wanted to create a platform that would model that and be able to be an explosive venture for anyone that steps into that opportunity. And she has done so, rightfully so. She has created this platform we abbreviate and call SSM, but as you can see, it's called the Successful Solution Method. And guys, it is successful. Everyone that is actually stepping in, becoming a part of SFM family, is actually seeing results. Now, let me inject an income disclaimer first and foremost. I need you guys to understand that your efforts will reflect your results. Other results that you see from other team leaders and members is a direct result of the efforts that they are applying. Now, these efforts are the same as anybody else. You can have the same efforts, but it really depends on what you're willing to bring to the table. If you're not willing to bring anything to the table, that's something different. But I have never seen anything like this that is task driven. What does task driven mean? It means that you are simply going to step into this membership, whichever one you choose, and I'm going to go in here and let you know that. You step into this membership, you follow her tutorials step by step. Guys, it is not difficult, okay? It's not difficult at all. You designate 1 to 2 hours of your time per day and you win. It's simple as that. You actually win. Now, several of us do put in more time, but of course, more time allows you to be able to do what this task-driven path for this platform allows you to do. And the thing is to relate to people, to build solid relationships, to do exactly what you're driven to do, and that is create the income by first having those relationships built strong on a solid foundation. So, enough of that for the intro. Let me dive in and let me show you what you will experience if you decide to join today the Successful Solution Method. So, I'm going to go ahead and log in here. Sorry about that, guys. Fingers got a little bit too quick and too swift. And I'm thinking it's all because of the excitement. I've never seen anything like this. This young lady has really created a winning platform that everyone can capitalize on. So, how I want to explain this is first and foremost, this is what you will be seeing when you become a part of the Successful Solution Method platform. First, you right here, you'll have an intro. This intro is Amanda herself letting you know what to expect in this platform, how to move forward successfully, step by step. There are no gray areas, guys. All of this is completely black and white, okay? Go on down here. I want you to know that there are several different packages that a person can choose, okay? So you have the bronze package, That bronze package is $125, for which you would earn $50 if you would decide to join. Now, let me go in here so you can see exactly how this is set up. These are each one of the opportunities that you will be able to have access to: the fail-proof traffic system, the system 3, which is updated for 2020. This is an additional income earner, guys. Additional income earner. But these are step by step. So you will start out with a task driven opportunity. In order for you to do step by step, you will follow that. But then you also have additional task driven that take you to another level. Again, this is all creating a residual snowball effect for you. Her whole intention and purpose of creating this platform is that people can see themselves creating a $1,500 to $3,000 monthly income. Now, let me inject the income disclaimer again. This is built on your efforts, okay? This is not a magic system in a sense where you just plug in and it just happens and you sit back and you don't do anything. We do task driven systems here. This is all about you putting in the work, rolling up your sleeves 2 hours a day and putting in your task driven systems, okay, into play for yourself. Okay, this is very, very important because a lot of times people come in and they think they pay their money for a membership and the magic happens. Now, the magic does happen because the way she laid this out, you are just dedicating 2 hours per day to do these task driven methods. That's it. 2 hours a day. Now, I want to ask you. Now, this is just a question. You can answer it in your own mind. You can go down below this video and you can answer it in the questions. What job, what job will you go to today or tomorrow and you can actually work 2 hours a day, 5 days a week, and earn $1,500 to $3,000 per month? If you can answer that in the comments area, you let me know where that is so that I can tell some people that are still looking for jobs, okay, and help them out. But this right here is the platform that's going to help you out. That's why I'm presenting it to you today. Okay, so I'm going to go back up here. I'm not going to go deep into this. And the reason why, guys, is because it's only fair to those that are actively members like myself and like we have almost 500. I think we have 500 members now. 500 members. And this started just 3.5 months ago. 3.5 months ago. A task driven platform. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go back over here to the members area because I'm getting excited, but I just want you to understand exactly what she has here for you. So to understand this a little bit more, like I said, Amanda right here gives you an introduction. This introduction is going to let you know the do's, the don'ts, and what to expect from the successful solution method. Down here, each one of these levels, you're going to be privy to different editions. Okay, as you can see right here in the bronze level, you're going to get the whole system itself. You're going to get the webinars, the replays. We have webinars every single week, Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have replays. We have trainings. These trainings are paramount to your success. These are task driven trainings. And what I mean by that is Amanda engages you in these trainings. She engages you to see where you are, to make sure that you're actually following through with the training, to make sure that you are going to maximize your successful potential within the SSM platform. In the silver package, you get a social influencer series. You get the customer digital postcard that we all are sharing. It's beautiful. Affiliate referral website. This is something that allow you to be able to go out to the masses, those people that you love and other people that you connect with and want to have help them find success as well. You get extra information and extra advertising methods that will allow you to be able to bring them in and share in the SSM platform. In the gold packet, you get everything above it plus video marketing masterclass. Now, guys, as you all know, I love video. So that's one of my things that I was like, this is wonderful. Because a lot of people doing video may not know exactly how to do it, but there's a lot more professionalism instructed in here. Even some things that I don't do, I'm kind of laid back and, just a down to earth young lady, but there's so much tutelage in that video marketing master class. So if it's something that you want to get into video, you have it right here along with the SSM platform that is task driven. In the platinum, you have everything above plus a high converting email vault. You have custom Facebook image ads that you can use while you're doing your task. You have a 30-minute private coaching. This is where you will be able to speak to one of the coaches or Miss Amanda herself, and she will lay out anything that you have to make sure you're successful. So she's going to answer those important questions. She's going to give you those extra perks to let you know this is how you start out, this is how you maximize your progression, and so on. Then you have the diamond package. That is attraction marketing formula. You have done for you custom funnel. You have a done for you organic traffic setup. You have top level traffic package coming your way. And you also get an additional 30 minutes, making it a total of 60-minute private coaching. Guys, this is a win-win platform. And I know you probably heard me say win-win before, and I mean that in every sense of the word. And that is with people that may already have an intermediate connection with online marketing. They know a little bit of this, they know a little bit of that, and they put it all together and it makes it whole. But there are so many of you all that are actually coming in fresh off the boat, newbie, don't have a clue in which direction to go. This is the win-win because Amanda takes you by the hand. She shows you over the shoulder. The videos are given true successful steps for you straight out the gate. There is no trying to figure out, well, what do I do? Where do I get this? How do I maintain that? What do I do to receive this or whatever? Everything is given to you completely. We have a Facebook group where we share proof. We have a Facebook group where we share support. We answer questions. We make sure that those that are coming in are fully welcome and there is no fear, absolutely no fear of how to get started and to be successful in this platform. Okay? So I want you guys to know, first and foremost, the successful solution method takes effort. It takes effort. But how long of effort do you have to work with? It's only 2 hours a day. Monday through Friday is preferably recommended. If you're like me and a lot of other top marketers, we do engage on Saturdays and Sundays as well. You will be taught how to be a leader in this industry. Whatever niche that you're deciding to be a part of, that you have a passion for, you will be successful in that as well. Because this shows you how to take a main platform that has billions of people entering it on a regular basis, spending time engaging, building relationships, and they will be at your disposal. Amanda, with these small, task driven opportunities, allow you every single day to engage and build up your relationships like clockwork. On Tuesdays and Wednesdays, we share the webinars. We make sure that you will be privy, anybody will be privy to getting a full detailed explanation at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time of what SFM can do for you and what to expect in here. You, again, like I said, you will do 2 hours per day. Guys, that's nothing to change your life. Absolutely nothing. You will learn attraction marketing. You will learn building your structure. You will learn how to present yourself as a leadership in the market space. You will learn how to create value for people in the market space. You will learn a tutelage of immense value that will give you the leadership presentation that you need in order for people to warm up and come to you and see you as an authoritative figure in that niche. This is powerful. And I wanted to go a little bit deeper into that so that you really understand the powerful presentation, the powerful system that this young lady has created. This will change how you market yourself. This will change how you present yourself. This will change you. So, guys, definitely click the link below. Look forward to some success coming into the successful solution method, because you will experience that every single day that you apply, because we're all about relationship building. We're all about making sure that you understand, first and foremost, that once you understand consistency and having a daily routine to build your business, your niche, you have created the win-win solution with this system. So, guys, thank you so much for listening in. Definitely click the link below this video so we can welcome you into the successful solution method. Hit that comment button for me. Go ahead and hit some comments in there for me. Definitely hit the like. I definitely would love to have you subscribe. If you have not subscribed to my channel, this is your first time visiting, and you will see more videos in more detail of the successful solution method. Thank you so much for listening. You guys have a wonderful one, and I'll speak to you soon.